A health alert now and a possible new case of measles in Vancouver. Officials there say a child was exposed to one of the two people here in Multnomah County who do have the virus. Our Cole Miller breaking down what all of this means and really what people should know. Cole?
Well, Jennifer, good evening. That was just last Friday. We learned about that second case here in Multnomah County, and tonight we're learning more about that child who we're told is up to date on their immunizations. That said, it is possible that others may have been exposed.
Getting y'all buckled in there, aren't we?
A mother of three, Brianna Parks is a believer in vaccinating. We ran into Parks, a healthcare professional, outside of this JCPenney's today near Southeast Mill Plain and 192nd in Vancouver. It's where Clark County officials say a child who just might have measles was on June 27th between 2 and 5 in the afternoon, and others who were there at that time may have been exposed.
I don't hear about cases a lot, but I do hear about the fact that it is still around and we haven't completely eradicated it.
This comes on the heels of 2 confirmed cases of measles in Multnomah County, a highly contagious virus that can spread through coughing and sneezing that leads to a rash like this, sometimes even ear and lung infections. As for that child, we know he or she was also at this Ross Dress for Less across from the Vancouver Mall and this European deli, Svidok, just next door on June 28th between noon and 3. There's a lot to know about measles, and here are some of the more important things. First of all, symptoms usually develop 1 to 3 weeks after exposure. Those symptoms can include a fever, cough, runny eyes, and that signature rash. A person can be contagious 4 days before that rash appears and up to 4 days after it's already present.
I do have some friends that don't vaccinate their children, and I don't judge them for that. We don't really know everything that is in the vaccines, and to each their own, but I do feel it is still very important to vaccinate just because of the amount of public exposure we do have these days.
And if you were at any one of those stores during those hours, it may not be a bad idea to get in touch with your primary care physician to just find out if you've been exposed. As always, we have much more information over on our website. That's KOIN.com. Live tonight in downtown Portland, Cole Miller, KOIN 6 News.